Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so let's get straight in. Just before we begin this video, I just wanted to say only about 10% of you are subscribed, so I would be really appreciative if you could subscribe. Thank you. Now let's get on with the video. So with solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, the first step is to solve the white cross on top with these side colours matching. If you don't understand what that means, you will very soon. So you need to look for the white side pieces, like this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Now you have to get them up to the top with the other colour on that piece. So in this case, this is white and orange, so this must have to go there because this is white and this is orange. For this one here, it is white and green, so it must have to go white and green, so it must have to go here. So let's start with this one, the white and orange one. It has to go here. As you can see, the orange is here. So what we are going to do, because it looks like this with white facing me, you're going to move it away, then the middle down, and the bottom across, then up. That short algorithm is on the screen now. And then for this one has to go over to here. So I'm going to move the middle down, across, up, across, and then front twice. Now while I was doing that, this solved itself, which is very convenient. Now the last one is the white and red piece. It's in the same position if we move the bottom across twice as the orange one. So we're going to do across, down, across. And as you can see, we've got the white cross on top with these colours matching. The next step is to solve these corner pieces here. Now we need to look for a corner piece, one of these 8 pieces with white on it. So let's have this one here. So this has white, orange and green. So we need to look for white, orange and green. So this piece here is going to go over here. So we are going to move it across until it is right above the space that it needs to be in. And then we're going to do this. We're going to hold it on its left, like here. Then do up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, and up, right, down, left. And keep repeating that until it goes in. We're going to do the same for this one, which is white, red, and green. We've got white, red, and green. So we're going to move it right above where it's supposed to be. And then do that same thing. Up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. There you have it. Now we're going to do it with this one, white, blue, and red. It's supposed to go here, so we're going to do the same thing. And then we are looking for this piece here, which is supposed to go here, up, right, down, left. If you find that a piece that is supposed to go somewhere is in the wrong place, then what you're going to do is just perform up, right, down, left until it removes, move it to where it's supposed to be, then do up, right, down, left. The same thing applies for if it's in there but it's the wrong way, just do up, right, down, left until it's in. The next step is to solve these side pieces here. Now, all you have to do is look for pieces either here or here that don't have yellow on them, because yellow is the top face. So let's take this one for an example. This one has blue and red is here, so it should go in here. So because blue is facing us, we're going to move it across there until it is above the blue. And you can see the red here. What we're going to do, if it's supposed to go here, we're going to move it away like that. If it's supposed to go here, then we're going to move it away like that. And because it's supposed to go here, we're going to move it away like that. Do up, right, down, left. Turn our cube and do up, right, down, left. That algorithm is on the screen right now. And as you can see, it has gone in there. Now we're going to look for another not yellow piece. And as you can see, all these pieces are yellow, so they must be in the side here. So right here is a piece that isn't supposed to be here. That piece is supposed to be here. It is orange and blue. So what we're going to do is going to do the same moves to take it out. So we're going to do, we don't need to move the away. Just do up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. As you can see, it has come out. And then we're going to put it above here and above the orange, because these are both orange and blue, so it is supposed to go in here. So we're going to move it away, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. As you can see, it has gone in. And now let's look for another. Oh, right, here. This is not yellow. These are both green. And this is green and orange, so it has to go here. And do it away, up, right, down, left. Turn, up, right, down, left. Now for the last piece, right here, green, 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 red, has to go here, away, up, right, down, left, turn, up, right, down, left. As you can see, we have solved 2/3 of the cube. For the next step, we are going to solve the yellow cross on top. Now there are 4 cases that your top could look like. Either it is going to just be one yellow without these two would not be yellow, or it can look like a small L shape like this, or it would be a horizontal line, or it would be the cross, in which case you can skip this step to the timestamp on the screen right now. As we have the L, and for whatever case, if it's a horizontal line and L, just a dot, then we are going to hold it in that position. So for the horizontal line, you've got to hold it so it's horizontal. The L like this and the dot doesn't really matter. And then you're going to turn the front face clockwise, then do up, right, down, left, and then move it back in. Now we have the horizontal line. And then we're going to do the same thing. Move it back. As you can see, we have the yellow cross. You can ignore these corner pieces, but we're going to need them in the next step. The next step is to solve these top pieces here to match the color of this. So as you can see, the green one is already there, but this is not right, this is not right, and this is not right. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the top until 2 are in the right place. And as you can see, I have this and this one in the right place, and this one is not. So either you're going to have none in the right place, 2 right next to each other in the right place, or 2 across from each other in the right place. As you can see, I have the one where they're next to each other. If they're next to each other, then hold your cube with one of the solved one on the right and the other one at the back. If they're across from each other, then hold one facing you and one away from you. And if there's none solved, then it doesn't matter where you hold it. The moves you're going to do are as follows. You're going to do up, across, down, across, up, across twice, and then down, across. As you can see, my middle pieces have solved. If you had them across from each other, then that would have made it so it would have the case that I had, and then you can just do what I did. The next step is to make these corner pieces in the right place. As you can see, none of mine are solved and none of them in the right place. When I say in the right place, I mean, for example, this one, if it was over here, it would be in the right place, even if it wasn't exactly solved. Because I have none in the right place, I'm going to do these moves. If you have one in the right place, then you're going to hold that one right here. And if you have all in the right place, you can skip this step to the timestamp on the screen right now. As you can see, I have none, so I can hold it wherever I like. And so I'm going to do across, up, across, up, across, down, across, down. And as you can see, I have 1 in the right place. Then I'm going to hold that on my right and then do the same moves. And it didn't work, so I'm going to do that one more time. And as you can see, all my corner pieces are in the right place. They may not look solved, but they are the right colour, as this is yellow, green and red, and there is yellow, green and red. This is yellow, blue and red, yellow, blue and red, and same for the other pieces. Right, for the last step, what we're going to do is solve these corner pieces. So what you're going to do is hold a mixed up 1 in the corner, in your bottom left corner. In your cases, you might have 1 solved, 2 solved, maybe even 3 solved. Though I've never seen that before. So you're going to hold the unsolved 1 in the bottom corner. And then you're going to do up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, until that is solved. As you can see, that is solved, but the rest of the cube looks mixed up. Now hold it exactly like this, and just move the bottom until you get another unsolved 1. And then you do the same thing. Keep repeating up, right, down, left. As you can see, now that is solved. Now you just move the bottom to an unsolved 1, like there, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. And now that is in the right place. And now for the last one, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. And then I just need to turn that, and as you can see, it is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.